Hey my queens, welcome back to my channel. So I am still getting over my cold, so please excuse my voice. This cold has really been just horrible, but I'm trying this new stocking cap method using one of my new wigs that I got from dyhair777, and I will leave the direct link to the wig down below. I did customize the wig a little bit, and you will see in the video. So I went ahead and got some queen size stockings from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to put that on my head, and I'm going to take the Got To Be gel in the black bottle, and I'm going to use that to secure the stocking cap to my head, and I'm putting that all around my hairline. And then I'm going to take my favorite blow dryer from Irresistible Me, the Onyx blow dryer, and then I'm going to use the cool setting to make sure that this is intact. Now it's going to take about 15 to 20, maybe even 25 minutes for it to completely dry. So yes, just be patient with yourself. The outcome you will really love. One piece of advice I can give though is make sure that your hair is completely flat underneath the cap. My hair was pretty much in just like 4 big braids and to the back, and I will really love for my edges to be a little more secure with the braids. So yeah, definitely learn from my mistake and make sure that your hair is completely flat underneath your cap. Now right here I am just cutting off the excess cap, and this is my first time doing this, so I was like super duper scared. This part of the video is sped up. In real life I was definitely taking my time and going really slow because I did not know how this was gonna come out at all. So definitely it didn't come out super perfect this time. I'm definitely gonna get better with time, but yeah, I think for the most part it came out pretty good. Just take your time and work in slow like sections and like small sections. So now that the cap is pretty much secure on my head, I'm going to get any little extra pieces off with my scissors, and then I'm going to put a whole nother layer of the Got To Be gel in the black bottle on that edge, and then I'm going to go ahead and spray some hairspray. This is just some cheap hairspray that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to spray that on, and then go ahead and make it tacky with my blow dryer, and then I'm going to go ahead and secure the wig. Once the wig is secured, I'm going to go ahead and tie it down with my silk scarf, and then leave that to dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. Usually I go ahead and just like maybe wash the dishes or get some laundry in the washer or something like that, and I just go ahead about my day until I feel it's secure, and then I go ahead and take it off. Now that the wig is fully secure how I need it to be, and trust me my queens, this wig ain't going nowhere. So basically, I have the wig fully secure, and now I'm just going to take some of my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine oil, and I'm just going to use a dime size amount on both sides, and I'm going to go ahead and use my Irresistible Me flat iron on 410 degrees, and I'm going to go ahead and straighten this wig out. You definitely can leave it in its natural state, but I really did love it straightened out, especially with this bold like style.
Yeah, lay back track. So I'ma get something to be smooth on this one. Check this out. The only time I drink before it is when I wanna drink before it.
So here is the finished look, my queens. So it just looks so amazing. I really loved how this came out. It's giving me so like different vibes. I really love this wig. It is a lace front wig, and it is Cambodian origin, and it also is 22 inches long. Like I said, I'll leave everything down below, but I loved how the knots bleached perfectly on this wig, and I just love everything about it for right now. If you guys want to update, definitely let me know. Give this video a thumbs up and comment that down below. And I will see you queens in my next video. Don't forget to continue to pray for me because I am sick, and I will continue to pray for you all as well. Follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and I will see you queens in my next video. I love you guys so much. Deuces.